Jesus, take the wheel. Hey guys, welcome back to Summers with Wayde. Okay, so this is a very late and improvised kind of video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm making a birthday cake, but it's not for myself. It's for an order that I've mentioned in my Monday and Wednesday video. And basically this isn't gonna be as formal as my usual cooking videos are, because I'm not gonna give you all the fancy transitions of ingredients and stuff, because this is a recipe that I've already made on the channel. It's Rosanna Pansino's rich chocolate cake recipe. If you want to see me making it, click the I up there and it'll take you to my M&M's like cupcake video. And yeah, that's the same recipe, but I'm just gonna make it in like 2 8-inch round cake pans. But this video is also going to be very like decoration driven, because I'm probably just gonna speed through the like making of the cake since you've already seen me do it. And oh, I also failed to mention, this is an Oreo cake. I am using the chocolate cake as a base, but I'm using Oreos to go around it. Let me show you. If you follow me on Instagram, you have already seen the mock-up which I made on Sunday. Yeah, on Sunday. And I used some Oreos, like run-of-the-mill Oreos. And for decoration purposes, for this time around, I bought some Oreo Thins Bites for the skinny legend queens that we are. But if you hear like conversation in the background, like Winston and Haley are here, like I don't know where they are because like they left the dining room, but like they're here. So I'm just gonna get started, and by the time you watch this, I will be 15. Yay! So let's get started.
Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, mix together all your dry ingredients. So there they are. It's flour, cocoa powder, cinnamon, then sugar, and all the stuffs, and then yeah, it's going very fast. Not sponge. Pouring. But you mix your dry, mix your wet ingredients, then you make a well in the dry, put it in, mix, pour, put in the oven for 40 minutes. For me it took 50, but you know, maybe it's just my oven. But just let it bake. And for me it took a little while, but oh great, now we're back to regular time.
Okay guys, so you can't see me, but you can see the cake, and I've cooled and leveled off both cakes, and I made the frosting off camera, but I'm probably gonna struggle on how to show this, but I'll do my best, so let's go.
Okay, so this is my first fail because the frosting was a little bit too runny and it started melting, and here you see that I'm like, okay, and then when I move it, it started jiggling, and then I'm like, I can't do this, no. So I cooled it and I tried again, and then this time the frosting is a little bit more, you know, fluffy, and I'm like, okay, maybe I can do this, you know, it's all cool. Then I like plop it on, and then when I start frosting, that's when it starts setting in. Like, this is a little harder than I thought it would be, you know. And now is when I realized that it was setting in, that holy crap, this is a mess. Back to real time, Wayde.
Okay guys, so cutting in real quick, I have changed places. I never film in front of my windows literally, but okay. my room is kind of a mess right now. I'm gonna clean it up real quick and giving you whatever. That's my mattress, because in one of my, like, I think it was the, like, Sailor Neptune fan art, I said that my bed was gonna get resolved, and got my brother's old bed, but like, whatever. It's better than my Focus than mine. And now you probably saw the clip of the train wreck that was me attempting to frost the cake. So now I've turned on my air conditioner. It is currently 79 degrees. I don't know if you could see that, but I have my softbox, keeping it real. And I'm gonna frost it in my bedroom so that I have more time to work with the frosting, because outside it's very, very, very hot. And let's just try our best. And Jesus, take the wheel. Wow, that focused very fast. Holy crap. This is, wow. My eye looks so cool. That's not the point of this. Bye.
Okay, going back. Also, if I sound kind of tired, it's because it's very late and I just want to get this over with. So right now I fill in the spaces between both cakes because there was a lot, and I just fill it with frosting. And here I feel a slight bit more confident about it, but I'm just so over this already, because at that point I had made this and chilled it so many times for it to keep failing and failing, but I think we pulled through at the end. And also there is like pictures at the end of the video, so like stick around for those. They're kind of, well, not kind of, they are high quality. But yeah, I forgot to film the decorating. I explained that later. But yeah, just know this was very, very, very stressful. You know? Okay, bye.
Okay guys, so I forgot to film the, I guess, decorating part of the cake, but here it is. Focus on it. I'll try to take some B-roll and like put it here, but this was very hard. That's what she said. And after some like remapping and like creative techniques, we got this. And this isn't the cake board. There's a cake board here and not this one. So this one is the dirtiest one, but I'm pretty sure that this is very aesthetically pleasing, I'm not even in frame, fit for a birthday party. So I was originally gonna try it, but I'm not going to, so bye. So this was a journey, guys, a journey. It's what,
11:41.
it's 11:41 and I started this at like 2:30. Okay, so it's been a journey. Okay, bye Winston. Okay, Winston's taking it to the fridge so that the frosting doesn't melt, but I'm like standing here so that I can be in frame, and if I'm a little tilted, I'm sorry, because it's late and I just want to get this done so I can edit this and upload it, because oh, God. But I'm probably gonna try to make other cakes during the summertime so that it's, you know, nice and I can better my skills as a cake baker and not just a cupcake baker, because I gotta do all the things. Am I zoomed in a little bit? That would have been so much easier. Whatever. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments down below if you liked how the cake turned out, and if you want to see any other cakes or baked goods that I've made. Click the eye in the corner and that'll take you to a playlist with all my cooking with Wayde videos. And yeah, also today's my birthday, so I'm finally 15.
You're old.
Yeah. So remember that I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
We'll